Welcome to this short video on Linetype Legend, which is part of the new Covey Toolkit for AutoCAD. To get started, I got a whole bunch of lines in my model. I'm going to come up here to the ribbon, a Covey Toolkit for AutoCAD. I'm going to go to the annotation panel and I'm going to select Linetype Legend. The Create Line Legend dialog box comes up. It is only showing you the line types that you currently have in your drawing. Now you can either just put a checkbox here, so it'll select them all. We can unselect them all, or you can click on the plus sign. Then you can just grab all your line types in your model, press enter, brings back up the dialog box. As you can see here, I'm not grabbing all of them. And in this situation in here, I can start to name these, so I can give it the descriptions here. So I know this one's my water line, or gas line here, so I'm going to call this one gas line. I've got some tracks in here, so I'll just call this one railway. This yellow one here is definitely my fence line. We've got some yellow, sorry, that was the fence. Let's go, this is a property line, this white one here, so let's just call, I must not have selected it, so we'll just click on that, and we'll just call this one property. And then the blue one there is sewer or storm. And actually that was probably my property here. But let's go in here, let's go property. All right, I've got my table styles, and then what I want to call this, right now I'm just going to call it legend, but I can call this one line legend, and I'm going to go okay. We're going to pick a point on screen, we're going to zoom in here, and now you can see we can also adjust the line type too. So if I just go LT scale here, and maybe I can dial in 1 or LT scale. Let's set that to say 10, and so you can see how you can adjust that. This concludes this short video.